Evrē is an event that celebrates women.
It's put on by UCHealth for focusing on mental health and physical health.
It's a very empowering event for a lot of women that are not really looking at their health or they're wanting to do more.
When you do little things, it builds up, it adds to your strength. It adds to and fuels your progress.
There's lots of women that are stretching together, working out together, shopping together.
The connection of being together, it carries a lot of weight and it makes you feel supported. And that's what today is all about.